Hey guys, in today's episode, we're talking about two of the most popular acids for acne treatment, salicylic acid versus glycolic acid. If you've ever wondered what is the difference between these two, which one works better for acne, and how do you use them into your routine, then today's episode is for you. Hello, Dr. Sue fam. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we decode and simplify everything about skin and hair. Those who don't know me, I am Dr. Sue, your dermat next door, and I've been sharing educational and non-sponsored information to Dr. Sue fam on Instagram. Now, being an acne warrior myself, seeing people falling prey and victim to misinformation online, I started Dr. Sue page with one goal in mind, which was to declutter and empower my community to make informed choices related to skin and hair. At channel Dr. Sue Talks, we will navigate the world of skincare, hair care, break down the fundamentals, bust some myths, product reviews and recommendations, and analyze whether the trends are worth the hype or not. Now, before we start and compare these two acids, which is salicylic acid and glycolic acid, let's understand what they actually are and how they work. Salicylic acid. It is a beta-hydroxy acid, meaning it is oil soluble. It can penetrate deeper into your pores, dissolving excess oil, unclogging them, working on whiteheads, blackheads, and even papular acne because it is anti-inflammatory, has antibacterial properties, making it a great fit for acne-prone skin. Coming to glycolic acid, it is an alpha-hydroxy acid which is water-soluble, works on the skin surface by exfoliating dead skin cells and boosting collagen, helps with textural skin, pigmentary acne scars, skin dullness. Now, salicylic versus glycolic acid, which one is better for acne? If you're looking for something which is for oily skin, which has active acne, which has whiteheads, blackheads, then salicylic acid is better. If you're looking for something which is for acne, pigmentary scars, skin brightening, dullness of skin, evening out of skin tone, and a little bit, in terms of anti-aging effects as well, then glycolic acid is better. Now, how do you use them in your skincare routine? Salicylic acid, you can use it in various forms like face wash. 2% of salicylic acid can be used in it. Toners, look for concentration between 0.5 to 2%. Spot treatment gels with 2% salicylic acid, or even in serum forms with again 2% of it, which can be used for stubborn pimples too. Glycolic acid for acne marks and glow, use it in the form of toner or serum. Anywhere between 5 to 8% of concentration is good enough, and use it twice weekly. For glycolic and salicylic acid both, there are chemical peels which you can do at much higher concentrations in clinic under dermat supervision. With glycolic acid in clinic peels, they help with deeper acne, pigmentary scars and textural changes. With salicylic acid peels in clinic, they help with active acne. Now, one of the most commonest questions asked is that can you use salicylic acid and glycolic acid together? While they can be used, yes, but not at the same time. If you have oily acne-prone skin, start with salicylic acid in your morning routine daily. And glycolic acid for Indian skin types, I recommend only twice weekly in your nighttime regime. If your skin is sensitive, alternate them on different days to avoid irritation. Never mix both the acids on the same night. It can over-exfoliate and damage your skin barrier. Some common mistakes to avoid while using, both these acids: overusing them, like using real high concentrations of them daily, can really strip away the skin. Skipping moisturizer, both acids can be drying, so always follow up with a hydrating moisturizer. Not wearing your sunscreen. Glycolic acid makes the skin a little more sensitive. SPF is a must. Using too many active ingredients, mixing them with retinols or vitamin C, especially without guidance, please avoid. Final thoughts: how do you decide between salicylic and glycolic acid? If you have oily, acne-prone skin with clogged pores, whiteheads, blackheads, papules, start with salicylic acid. If you have acne, pigmentary scars, dull skin or textures, or if you're looking for something for even a little bit of anti-aging, then try glycolic acid. If you want both the benefits, use them in the morning, which is salicylic acid in the morning and glycolic acid twice weekly in your nighttime regime, but not together. Start slow, be consistent, and always listen to your skin. If you're new to acids and any which ways, do a patch test first and introduce them gradually into your routine. That's it for today, guys. If you learned something new, please like, share and subscribe. If you have queries, then do drop them below in the comment section and I will try answering each of them. I will be dropping many such videos on acne, so goodbye and see you next week.